Look at Shamir.
Oh.
No, I got you like that.
Look at Travis, bruh. Travis!
I'm trying to get some
Travis about to knock somebody out, bruh. Look at Shamir. Look at Shamir.
Oh my God! Look at me.
Hey, Bree. Hey, you see how I put Deontay on his back?
Hey. Hit somebody with that shit, nigga. Hit somebody with that shit.
Mango.
All live, my aunt can play with that shit.
Got them big.
Let's hit somebody with that shit. I swear I dare you to.
And what? Ooh.
Ooh. Damn, my Daya. She ain't playing, bruh. She ain't playing.
Hey, let's go get everybody over there.
Oh, fuck you, Travis. Hey, we got each other back, we got each other back.
Nobody get me. We're recording this shit. This shit is live.
Goddamn! One of y'all motherfuckers hit my Jordan.
Hit my bag. She said, do you know who you are fucking with? Oh my God, this is live at
Hoover High School.
La Bravion. Me and Bree are recording this shit. We get shit live at Hoover.
Mango, talk to the camera.
Talk to the camera. Talk to the camera. What would you like to say?
Mango, talk to the camera, bro.
Oh, Dreadhead, he done walked away. What would you like to say to the camera? Oh my God! We're not getting any action here. We're not getting any action here. Travis, what would you like to say to the camera?
What you got to say to the camera, Travis?
Just smack this motherfucker.
Oh my God! What would you like to say?
Mango, man.
What would you like to say to the camera?
Mexican hair talking about.
What that is?
Oh! Go Rico!
Oh, shit.
Oh, he got it! What would you like to say to the camera?
Shit, mother, yeah. He done fucked up. He done fucked up my camera. He done fucked up my camera, bro.
What would y'all like to say? We are live out here. It's getting deader. It's dead. It's dead. Oh my God, is it over? Is it over?
It ain't over, bro. It ain't over, bro.
It ain't over,
It ain't over, bro.
That's the one that want this shit. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God.
What you got to say to the
I would like
camera?
to say that this is cracking today. It is the last day, and I am very excited.
Man!
Here with no motherfucking smoke. It's Gucci.
It's Gucci.
It's Gucci.
It's Gucci.
For everybody.
It's Gucci.
This shit stuck. That shit got cracking. Didn't know how to try that shit.
Oh, damn.
Stop that bitch. You okay? All right. What would you like to say to
What you like to
say? You think this shit's funny? It's on, motherfucker.
Hey, yo, and it's 80s day.
You know it? It's 80s day. She got her 80s. It's not even 100 degrees. It's up out there. You ain't me. She got that shit cracking, bro.
Hey, do that shit again.
Do that shit again.
Do that shit again.
Do that shit again. Got that shit cracking, you ain't me. Let's go.
We out here, bruh. We out here, bruh.
We out here,
We out here, bruh.
We out here, bruh. We out here, you ain't me. What that shit like? What that shit like?